हेलो गाइस, आई एम तानू पांचाल और आपका स्वागत है मेरे चैनल में। आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं इंडियन हेरिटेज। ये सेम थर्ड का सेक का एक सब्जेक्ट है, हेरिटेज ऑफ इंडिया। इसमें क्वेश्चन आता है व्हाट इज़ हेरिटेज एंड इट रिलेटेबल टू हिस्ट्री। तो आज हम इसके बारे में पढ़ेंगे। Indian heritage. The rich heritage of India, one of the world's oldest civilization, is an all-embracing influence of religion, tradition, and custom. The highlight of Indian heritage lie in the treasure of its art and architecture, classical dance, music, flora and fauna, and the innate secular philosophical of its people. Indian heritage. Heritage means what we inherit from our ancestors and from our past. Heritage का मतलब होता है कि हम अपने पास्ट और अपने एंसेस्टर से क्या चीज़ हमारे पास उनकी रह गई है, बच गई है, जो भी उनसे रिलेटेड है, उसको हम हेरिटेज मानेंगे। इंडिया इज़ अ लैंड ऑफ varied culture and tradition. People from numerous caste, religion, creed reside in our country. Each ethnic group in our country has its own tale of origin and its set of unique tradition and culture. They have all contributed to making of Indian history and culture. Nature has made India into a distinct geographical entry. Indian heritage a gift from the older generation. इसका एक सिंपल सा मीनिंग आप अपने दिमाग में फिट करने के लिए समझा बैठा सकती है कि एक ओल्डर जनरेशन से एक गिफ्ट, वो किसी भी फॉर्म में हो सकता, आर्किटेक्चर में या आपसे जो परंपराएं ट्रेडिशन होते हैं, जो आज जो आपके घर में रीति रिवाज चलते हैं, वो सब हमें अपने बड़ों से मिले हैं, तो वे भी एक हेरिटेज का हिस्सा मानी जाएगी, कल्चर एंड ट्रेडिशन. Indian heritage and culture are vast and vivid because of a large number of religious groups residing in our country. Every community has its own set of custom and tradition which is passed on to its younger generation. However, some of our custom and tradition remain the same throughout India. Our tradition teach us to inculcate good habits and make us a good human beings. Our culture heritage is thus a beautiful gift from our older generation that will help us become a better human beings and being a harmonious society. Respect for our Indian heritage. The elders should take responsibility to invoke love for the Indian heritage in the younger generation. This must be done for very beginning, only then we can preserve our rich heritage. It is the duty of the elder to evoke love for the Indian heritage in the younger generation. This must be done for very beginning, only then we can preserve our rich heritage. School must teach students about Indian heritage, how it survived for a century. They must also share the importance of preserving it. This would help in evoking a feeling of pride in them, and they would be inspired to continue the tradition and also pass it to the new generation. This needs a collective effort by the teachers as well as parents. Our literature also a part of Indian heritage. Indian heritage is a rich and its culture. We have various books written on many topics since ancient time. We have the Vedic literature, epic Sanskrit literature, classic Sanskrit literature, Pali literature, among other kind of Indian literature. Many of our books are beginning translate to other languages to provide access to a greater number of readers so that more and people can benefit from the knowledge. Literature must be preserved at any cost. Beautiful geological structure. Numerous beautiful geological structure found in different parts of India. Best of the splendid geological structure that form of our country include Lonar Crater Lake, Siachen Glacier, Jammu and Kashmir, Pila Rock, Kodai Canal, Barren Island, Andaman Magnetic Hill, Lake, columnar basaltic lava, Udupi, and Toad Rock. All these structures are true wonder of nature. A lot of tourists every year from around the world especially visit these places just to catch a glimpse of this marvelous creation of God. UNESCO World Natural Heritage Site in India. आपको एक बात मैं बता दूं कि हेरिटेज में हम सिर्फ वही साइटों को काउंट करेंगे जो यूनेस्को के द्वारा यूनेस्को वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट डिक्लेयर हो पाएगी। हम सिर्फ उन्हीं को हेरिटेज साइट मानेंगे, हम अदरवाइज़ किसी को नहीं मानेंगे। पहला इसकी ना एक्चुअली कुछ कंडीशन भी होती है यूनेस्को में, इसके पॉइंट भी होते हैं कि कौन कौन सी साइट यूनेस्को में आ सकेगी। अगर वो साइट एलिजिबल है तो वही आती है यूनेस्को। हम देखते हैं कौन कौन सी साइट है यूनेस्को में। होम फॉर रेयर वन हॉर्न डायनासोर काजीरंगा नेशनल पार्क इन 1985, होम फॉर numerous species of beautiful bird केओलोडियो नेशनल पार्क in 1985, a beautiful wildlife sanctuary मानस वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी 1985, the biggest mangrove forest सुंदरबन in year 1987, नंदा देवी वैली ऑफ फ्लावर्स नेशनल पार्क in 2004, the Western Ghats in 2012, the Great Himalayan National Park was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in year 2014. India is an ancient country. We are blessed with a beautiful heritage. We are slowly responsible to preserve the same of thus that our future generation also get to see and experience the same. थैंक यू सो मच। आई होप आपको ये PDF बहुत अच्छा लगा होगा, जिससे आपको एग्ज़ाम में बहुत हेल्प मिल सकेगी। अगर आपको अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल एंड लाइक इट। थैंक यू सो मच।